Could I first of all welcome all of you here this morning to this very exciting development. Welcome particularly our Minister Sherlock, who has taken the time to come to us from Cork this morning to launch this very important facility. This centre is the first centre in Ireland to be allowed legally to manufacture stem cells, and that's a huge step forward. But the importance of it fundamentally is that it gives Ireland a unique facility of which there are only 4 or 5 in Europe, which has been approved by the Irish Medicines Board and would allow us to effectively, as I said earlier, culture and manufacture stem cells for use in clinical trials by real patients. It's a great tribute to the leadership of our colleagues across the whole biomedical engineering science area, particularly Tim O'Brien and Frank Barry, who have worked very hard for the past 10 years to bring this centre to fruition.
At Remedy and other research programmes within the university, we have a substantial focus on unmet medical need. So the patients that we meet on a day-to-day basis, and we do our best to deliver state-of-the-art care, but then we go home frustrated, thinking, is that really the best we can do? And what the facility allows us to do essentially is now apply for regulatory approval to do clinical trials, to try and advance new therapies.
From Orpson Therapeutics' point of view, the development here in the CCMI is fantastic news because we have a number of clinical trials funded under the EU FP7 programme, one of which will use cells manufactured in this plant here. We'll have an Irish stem cell company manufacturing cells in an Irish clean room, which will be used in a clinical trial run out of Irish hospitals.
We're involved in research and ultimately the development of a osteochondral defect scaffold for orthopaedic tissue repair. The opening of the CCMI represents a great milestone for that project in terms of being able to utilise the appropriate grade of stem cells for implantation and ultimately to prove the clinical efficacy of the product.
I really want to congratulate you, not just as Minister representing the Irish government here today, but also as a citizen, as somebody who may or may not benefit from your research, but as somebody who will know somebody who will benefit from the output of your research. The impact that you will have both here in Ireland, but nationally and internationally, is going to be, to my mind, absolutely and utterly profound. It's a wonderful day for Galway, it's a wonderful day for the west of Ireland, but it's a great day for Ireland as well.